Hello friends, in last lecture we will study downsets and upsets. In this lecture also we continue with some examples and proposition on downsets. Here if P is a chain, if P is a chain, of n elements, then down P consists of all the sets principal down sets for X belongs to P with the empty set, and down of P is a chain of n plus 1 element. Down of chain is again n plus n element. Here suppose A, B, C. This is chain of 3 elements. If down of chain of 3 elements is equal to phi, then principal A, B and C. That means here phi, principal, it contains only single A. It contains all those elements of this poset which are related to B. Here B is related to B, A is related to B, so like this. Then all those elements which are related to C, A, B, C, like this. And if you draw this diagram, phi, then singleton A, then AB and ABC. This is chain of 4 elements. Now, if P is an anti-chain, then down of P is equal to power set of P. Down of P. That means here 3 bar. P is equal to 3 bar is an anti-chain. That means these 3 elements A, B, C. Then down of P is equal to empty set phi. Then singleton A, singleton B, singleton C. Now AB, AC, BC and ABC. And this is power set of X, where X is 3 elements. X contains 3 elements. is an anti-chain, then down of P is equal to power set of P. Power set of P. Now, one proposition. Let P be an order set. Then, first, down of P additional circle 1 isomorphic to down of P additional circle 1 and down of 1 additional circle P is isomorphic to 1 additional circle down of P. And second, down of P1 union P2 isomorphic to down of P1 product of down of P1 and down of P2. Here, the down set of P additional circle 1 are the down set of P together with P plus 1, together with P plus 1 itself. That means 1 additional 1. That means here this gives P additional circle 1 down is equal to down of P, all down sets of P plus 1 set. Okay. And the down set of 1 additional circle P are the down sets empty set with empty set and all down set of P. That means down of 1 additional circle P isomorphic to 1 empty set additional down sets of P. For second here, consider map. File mapping from down of P1 union P2 to down of P1 cross down of P2 but phi of U is equal to a single element. Here in this set, order pair. That means U intersection P2. So this phi is an order isomorphism map. To show phi is an order isomorphism. First show phi is 1 1. First show phi is 1 1. Take phi of U is equal to phi of V. U and V belong to this set like this. This gives U intersection P1, U intersection P2, image of this is equal to V intersection P1, comma, V intersection P2. Comparing U intersection P1 is equal to V intersection P1, this gives U is equal to V. That means phi is 1 1 map. Phi is 1 1 map. Now to show phi is onto phi is an onto map. Take here element A, comma B belongs to codomain here down of P1 cross down of P2. Clearly, here A belongs to down of P1 means A is a subset of P1. B belongs to down of P2 means B is a subset of P2. We want to show these elements has a pre-image in this set. This element has a pre-image. Take A is a subset of P1, B is a subset of P2, and domain is a downsets of P1 union P2. Take A union B belongs to P1 union P2. And here phi of A union B, phi of A union B is equal to phi of A union B is equal to here A union B intersection P1, comma A union B intersection P2. Here P1 and P2 are disjoint from definition of union. If we take union of two order set, then they must be disjoint. Here P1 and P2 are disjoint. Now see here, this is equal to A intersection P1 union B intersection P1, comma A intersection P2 union B intersection P2. Now here A intersection, A is a subset of P1, A is a subset of P1, then A intersection P1 is A. Here B is a subset of P2, P1 and P2 are disjoint, this is phi. Here A is a subset of P1, and P2 and P1 are disjoint, so F phi union B, and this gives A is equal to B. That means every element from this set has a pre-made in down set of P1 union P2. This gives phi is an onto map. Therefore, phi is an onto map. Now, to show order preserving both way, let A is related to B in down of P1 union P2. A is related to, that means here A is a subset of P1 union P2. B is also a subset of P1 union P2. If you take here A intersection P1 related to B intersection P1 and A intersection P2 related to B intersection P2. Here component wise order preserved. Here this gives A intersection P1, A intersection P2 related to B intersection P1, B intersection P2. Here A intersection P1 related to B and A intersection P2 this way. This is equal to phi of A related to, here if and only if, phi of B. Here take if and only if, this gives, and so that means A related to B if and only if phi of A related to phi of B. Phi of A related to phi of B, and therefore phi is an order isomorphism map, order isomorphic map, and so these two sets are therefore this down of P1 union P2 isomorphic to down of P1 cross down of P2. Down of P1 cross down of P2. Now, using this proposition, some examples here, how to find cardinality of down set. Here, example, yeah, P. Here, order set P may be thought as here like this. This is 2 bar. This is 2 bar. and this is 1. Okay, 1. That means this is 1 bar addition, sorry, 1 addition 2 bar. Okay. Now, here if we take this is again 2. This is equal to union of 2, chain of 2A. First, we write this, then union of 2. And if we that means here add 1 like this. That means P is isomorphic to 1. Here first this, then union of chain of 2 elements, and 1 plus 1 additional circle, this union. Okay. Now here down of P using above proposition, isomorphic to down of 1 additional circle in bracket 1 additional circle 2 bar union 2 like this. Okay. This is isomorphic 2. Again, we know this down of 1 additional circle P is isomorphic to 1 additional circle down of P. Using this 1 additional circle down of 1 union 2. Again, this is one order set. Again, this isomorphic to 1 additional circle. Again, down of this union, we know by above proposition second, this is equal to down of 1 additional, here additional circle 2 bar cross down of 2. Okay. Again, this is isomorphic 2. If union, then cross. 1 additional circle in bracket. Again, 1 additional circle down of 1 additional circle P is equal to, in isomorphic to 1 additional circle down of P. Use this here. 1 additional circle there down of 2 bar cross here down of, if n is a chain, then down of P is a chain, then with n element, then down of P is again a chain with n plus 1 element. Here this is 3, chain of 3 elements. 1 additional circle in bracket 1 plus additional circle. Here, if P is anti-chain, then down of P is equal to power set of P, isomorphic to power set. And this power set of P, if P contains n element, then it is isomorphic 2 raised to n. Isomorphic to 2 raised to n. Here, this first power set of two elements, and this is isomorphic to 2 to the power 2 cross 3. That means down of P isomorphic to this one additional circle in bracket, one additional circle 2 square cross 3, and cardinality mod of is equal to 1 plus 4 cross 3. That means here 5, 15, 16. 16 elements. It contains 16 elements. Okay? We'll stop here. Thank you.